my name is Tatiana and I am trainer from ITGENIO online school. Today we're going to create traffic lights, like this one. Okay, first, you need to remember what coordinate is. We need to open Code Builder. To do it, you need to press key C on your keyboard. Okay, I need to take block unshot command. I already have it, so I will use block, place some block at some coordinates. I want to use diamond block, and as you remember, these three fields, it is coordinates. First one is x, second one is y, and third one is z. Also remember what those signs tilde mean. They mean that the coordinates are related to the player. So I want to place this block of diamond under my character, for example. So I need to change my y coordinate to -1 because my character now stands on the coordinate 0. So I need to set it to -1. And I also want to give another name to my command. For example, it will be diamond. Let's check it out. Okay, I want to type diamond on the chat. And see, yeah, I have one diamond block under my character. If I want to place, I need to type, for example, 3, because now my character is standing on the coordinate 0, but character, it is 2 blocks. She has a high 2 blocks. So I want to create some block. Let's see. I type diamond and I see another block. Okay, that's all what we need to know about coordinates to create traffic lights. Almost. So I need to destroy this one, and I'm gonna do pillar. I need to take another block. I don't need this one because I want to create more than one block at one time. So first I need to choose material for my pillar, and also I need to change command name. I want to call it trough, for example. So what next? I need to choose a coordinate to my first block. How it works with this block? When I place something on these coordinates, I will see some block here. But if I also want to place some block or some blocks near it, I also can use these fields, because with using this block, I can fill all this territory with these coordinates. Okay, for example, I want to use x coordinate 1, y 0, and z 5. To create 3 blocks high of my pillar, I need to use x coordinate 1, z coordinate 5, but I also need to 3 blocks on y coordinate, so I need to put 2 there. Why? Because I already have some block on 0 coordinate, my second one will be on 1 coordinate, and the third one will be on y coordinate 2. So let's check it. I need to type trough. Yeah. Okay. Now we have a pillar. So what next? We also need to use some glass. for our pillar. So let's see. If this block is y2, this one will be y3. But also we need to change our x-coordinate, because as you remember, to change z coordinate, I need to move like this. I need to move forward and back. But if I move from this position right and left, I'm changing x coordinate. So we have coordinate x equals 1. So we need to change it to 0, because now we have 1 on x, and we need to move left. So I need to do 1 minus 1, and I will have 0 as a result. So let's try. I need to use similar block so I can duplicate. And now fill with glass. Okay, as I said, I need to use 0. And also I need to move right. So if I have 0 in this place, I will have 1 here and 2 here. So let's try. I need to put 2 as x, and I also need to move my blocks 1 block high. So I need to change my y coordinate to 3, because I need to do +1. I also need to use same coordinates there. Okay, what we have now? I need to have 3 blocks. So I need to move my first block left. So I need to do 1 minus 1. Now I have 1 block on 0, 1 block on 1, and 1 block on 2 as x coordinate. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, I need to type 12. And yeah, now we see 1 pillar and our first glass roll. So what we need to do next? We need to build another 2 rows. But I have a little interesting solution for it. We also need to use variables, because we will need them when we will work with colors. So I need to create a variable. And the first variable will be for 1, the second for 2, and the third one for 3. Okay, what we need to do with them? We need to set their value. I choose row 1 here. I choose row 1 here. And I also need to use my coordinates block. First, it is this usual block with coordinates with tilde. And also I need to use this block to world, because if I use tilde sign, the coordinates are related to the player, but we need to use them to the world. So I do this action. I don't need position. Okay, what we need to do next? We need to place this block here. Okay, and now I need to change my coordinates. I need to use 0, 3, and 5, because it is our first block. So I type 0, 3, and 5. Also, I need to create another 2 rows. We already created them. Okay. Let's give them various value. I can duplicate this block. Okay, if I want to create another row above my first row, I need to change my y coordinate to 4 because it is +1. And I also need to similar action to the last row. It will be 5. Okay, what we need to do with our block field? We need to use our variables. How I need to do it? I need to use row 1 here, and also I can use block plus from positions because I don't need to count every time another my coordinates. I don't need to repeat them, so I can sum. I use row 1 and I want to plus 2 as x. Okay, what next? We need to duplicate this block, but we need to change our variables. It is 2 and it is 3. Okay, let's check it out. I type tref and what we see? Our traffic lights, but without colors now. Okay, now we need to make colors. What I need to do? I need to create another command. Let's call it lights. What next? We need to fill our rows by some colorful blocks. I want to use wool, so I need to use the same block. I can copy it. I click duplicate and place it here. I want to use lime wool. Okay, what we have now? We fill our first row with lime wool. What next? We need to wait. I need to use block pause. Okay, let's give our pause value 1000. Okay, we need to fill with glass our first row because now we need to see it empty without wool. We'll have another row with wool, so we need to use it. I will use yellow wool. Okay, I don't need to change any variables there, but I need to change there because now I'm working with row 2. Okay, let's see what we have now. I need to destroy this traffic light. Okay, I type command tref. Yeah, we have our traffic lights, and I need to use lights. Yes, see, now we have 2 colorful rows. We just need to continue to create all 3 rows with colors. What I need to do next? I need to use pause. I want to pause with 1000. And I just need to copy my previous blocks. Okay, I need to fill with glass our second row now, and I need to fill with red wool our third block, our third row. So I'm changing variables to row 3, and now let's check what we have now. I need to destroy this traffic light and create another one. Okay, we have lights, but we still don't have colors. Okay, first row, second row, and third row. Okay, we need to add cycle. I open loops and take block repeat. I want to repeat it, for example, 100 times. Let's see what we have. Traf and lights. 1, 2, 3, and yeah, do you see a mistake? What we need to do? We need to fill with glass our first row at the start. When our loop filling third row with red wools, we also need to make our first empty. So I need to copy this block and change my variable to row 3, because I don't need to have a row with red wool while I have a row with green wool. So let's see. Add traf and lights. It is working. Almost. We forgot about block weight. Let's put it. I want to put it at the end. Can duplicate and place it there. Traf and lights. Yay, we did it! Now we have traffic lights. It is working.